My name is Jeff Matasius with Corteva Agriscience, and also a member of a family farm in Northern Illinois. When I think about all the things that we need for inputs and monitoring from both the Corteva perspective as well as the family farm perspective, there are a lot of things and insights that we can gather from soil sensors, crop health, satellite imagery, in-plant measurements. And I think that there's a lot of opportunity to tie all these different elements together, because today a lot of these different elements are independent of one another and not really able to tie everything together to tell a big story. And that's where I'm really excited about some of the things that I'm seeing with Sensegrass, getting a better understanding of the end-to-end pieces that are important to agriculture and crop management and production. With that, I'm happy to introduce Lalit Gautam with Sensegrass.
Hello everyone, hi, this is Lalit Gautam. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Sensegrass. Sensegrass is a soil intelligence platform. According to United Nations, around 65% of excessive chemical fertilizer we use in our food production. That leads to the 1/3 of the total food we produce got waste. And the reason is very simple, because our companies and farmers have no idea what's happening into the soil and what is the real requirement of the nutrition value. Unfortunately, the only conventional method for the nutrition analysis or the fertilizer analysis is a traditional lab method, where you take the soil sample, go to lab, do a chemical test and wait for a couple of days up to a week, and at the end you only get the test report. The data without solution is another problem for them. And to solve this problem, Sensegrass brings the soil intelligence platform with a combination of a AI agronomist SaaS platform and a patented NPK sensor. In the next few slides, I'm going to explain the product and the technology in detail. Our first proprietary component is an AI agronomist analytic platform that provides the real-time, personal AI-based advisory to the user. For example, how much nitrogen you have to use, at what area, what time, at what quantity. Our AI agronomist is so powerful, we're trying to make the first operating system for the food value chain. It works on the 4 different data library: sensor data, satellite data, and manual data, and the environmental data. Our second component is a patented NPK sensor that measures around 14 parameters, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, moisture, so on. This modular plug-and-play device improves the efficiency of the data, but our system is work agnostic as well. So your other company's sensor can also fit, but if you want in a highly accurate data, our sensor can be good value. Let me quickly give you a demo how the product looks like. First of all, the product is already in the market and used by some of the large corporate. You can see whenever something changes in the field, it gives you the pop-up warning. Hey, you have low phosphorus because of the 3 days continuous rain. If you spread more pulverized phosphate, you'll get a crop yield and a financial improvement, so on. We provide the different value proposition from the seed selection, soil area, fertilizer estimation, so on. But we have broadly categorized in 3 categories. We reduce the excessive chemical fertilizers, we improve their productivity yield. We not just help to productivity yield, but we also help them to grow faster and healthier. And we give them the financial benefit, up to 45% of the improvement in their income. This is one of the largest industry. Agriculture is something never seen in recession, and especially post-COVID, people are going to be more concerned where the food coming from, how the nutrition value in my food is. We are already a market-ready company. We are generating the revenue, and solution has been used by some of the notable clients during our beta version. Our sales funnel is full of the large corporate like Corteva, Onset, Syngenta, PepsiCo, so on. Our business model is pretty simple. It's a typical subscription SaaS-based model. It comes in a package of hardware and software starting from $20,000 USD onward for the large corporate. For the small to mid-sized enterprises, start from just $1,200 USD. Regarding the competitive analysis, because of the nutrition analysis, there are 3 companies in the world, but because of technological advancement, our AI agronomist platform, satellite integration, and the satellite sensors, in a most affordable price, we are the most innovative company in that segment. Behind every successful startup, there is a strong team. 3 co-founders coming from the farming background, more than 60 years of experience, 3 exits each for one. And apart from the management team, we have a great bunch of advisors and mentors from companies like Corteva, Onset, John Deere, Syngenta, Microsoft, so on. These people are not just helping to get a building great product, but also opening the door for the sales as well as for the revenue. We are revenue generating company. Next year we're planning to go break even and almost touch the level of 1 million ARR. We are one of the most awarded, recognized startup, Forbes 30 under 30, MIT 35 under 35, trusted and supported by some of the great investors and the partners. Now we're raising our round for the three purposes: for the product market fit, hiring, as well as to do the rest of the deployments and booking that help us to generate the revenue. One segment of the product is already in the market, and this is the second version. We're planning to go into the field by the next 6 months. That's all from Sensegrass. If you find it interesting, I'm more than happy to discuss Sensegrass with you all.